Hey, thanks Tina. Steve Heard Some Cows here. We are here live on the ranch. We're going to go ahead and try and do, I guess, one of these snowmobiles, snow machines as the kids call them, shred the gnar. We're going to go ahead and see how these things work. Supposedly they start right up. Start right up. Piece of, come on. That John Denver's full of only 80 pulls and they start right up. Woo! Nope. More gas. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Rocky Mountain Rancher episode 47. Man, we are moving along. Thank you very much for everybody's support. I don't know, that was crazy, that last vlog. A lot of views, a lot of shares. I really appreciate it. That's awesome. This one, it's more of the same. So hey, if you don't like cow drama, if you don't like cow emergencies, then you better just go find another vlog, because that's exactly what this one is. Calving season, just as crazy this week than it was last week. I hate to see what next week looks like. It's going to be even worse. But the weather has been insane here. I mean, we are like right in the middle of calving season. 2 giant blizzards this week. I mean, the weather has just been like, it's either cold, or it's wet, or it's snowing, or it's windy, or it's, I mean, it's not spring. I don't know. It's almost April, but it is like legit. This is like December weather. There's still so much snow everywhere. I mean, it's been intense, okay? It has been intense, but that's kind of what this vlog's about. Just the trials and tribulations of like gnarly calving in winter again. Saved a bunch of calves, right place at the right time. Had some heartache, lost a couple calves. Just, I mean, you literally can't be everywhere at once, and that's kind of what happened on a couple of these. But we did save some. We were in the right place at the right time. We're able to get some cows on some calves that didn't have some mamas. So overall, it was a good week, but just another crazy week. I got this old calf shelter up. That helped a bunch, giving the calves some better shelter. But it's just been a brutal calving season. Probably one of the worst that I remember. I mean, being just hard-wise, it's been rough. But we're getting through. We're pressing on. We're keeping it going. Anyway, I appreciate the support. And yeah, hopefully this is what you're into, because there's more of the same, more of this cow drama. But I am glad you're here. Thank you again. Let's ride. Oh, she's kind of falling. Mama! Ma! It's okay, buddy. Ma! It's a shitty time to be born, dude. It's a terrible time to be born. Ma! Ma! Come on, Mama. That's alright, I just gotta come get her tomorrow. I don't think she's gonna follow us.
keep at it. Come on.
Oh! Hard to stand up on the tile. There you go, stood right up. Good job, buddy.
See what a little milk does for you? There we go. Come on.
Patchy, quit. Good job, buddy. Well, we did it, buddy. Yeah. You spend a night in the house shitting all over the place, but you're alive. It's a terrible time to be born. Middle of another blizzard. But I think you're going to make it, dude. I got to go down and get your mom. But get a little heat there. Got a half a bottle in you. Got you some colostrum. You just chill, dude. And you can shit in this stall. It's fine. Well, the crazy mama that was trying to follow us on the four-wheeler, she was trying, but it was a blizzard. Anyway, I got her separated off. We're gonna push her up to the house, hopefully on foot, of course, and get her reunited with her baby. That's the plan anyway. Hopefully she tried to go off the trail and realized there's like 4 feet of snow, so just stay on the trail. Stay on the trail to your baby, and life will be good. Okay, let's see. Hopefully, she remembers that that's her baby. Now that is what you call a successful rescue right there. That calf was on the brink of death. Thank God we went down and actually saw him, and Mom remembers him. It's awesome. Hey, you just needed a night in the house. That's all you needed. That's cool. We got you. And you're a good mama, too. Thank you. Thank you for remembering that is your baby. Even though you only saw him for like 45 minutes. We took care of him for you. He's all yours now. So today's adventure, I meant to video this before I got started, but I just got carried away. I got carried away. But here's the feed trail to get down to the cows. And I've had to plow myself this whole new trail. I'm trying to get that little beautiful calf shelter. It's been a rough calving season, and there's not a lot of shelter around here. And then I remembered I have this handy dandy, I don't know whether it's an old giant oil barrel holder, something, I don't know. But somebody made it into a little shelter. Well, cow shelter, and I forgot I had it down here in this other field. But obviously there's like 20 million feet of snow, so I have to plow this whole thing out just to go get to this thing. But I'm gonna go move this into that pasture with the first calf heifers so that the babies can have some shelter and they can get out of the wind and the rain. So yeah, nothing's easy, but we're making some headway. We're almost there. We're probably 50 yards away, and I got a nice little trail going here back to the feed trail. So, well, I made it. Kind of a journey, but we're here. We just spent another 10 minutes digging this area out. We are here. We are going to hook this sucker up. I got it. It's a little sketchy, but I got it. It's just a matter of getting her moved around back down my trail. I had to call in reinforcements, y'all. I mean, somebody's got to get the gates, right? We don't hit any posts or... Holy shit. Big son of a gun. It's not as heavy as it looks. Make it through the gates. All right, finished product. There's all the heifers. And then they come right up to the west and boom. Got yourself a nice little calf shelter, little babies. Got the wall to the west. So you can come in here. I got a bar up, so hopefully the cows can't come in here. But this should make me feel a lot better at night, hopefully, knowing that these little babies can get out of the weather and get in here, get in their calf shelter and be dry. And some of these calves have never been dry. They don't even know what being dry is like, but this is going to be hopefully really nice for them. So amazing what a little bit of shelter can improve your quality of life, especially the blizzards we've been having lately. So come on, guys. Well, this sucks. This is crazy. Come on, guys. Trying to push you back to the shelter. Let's go. Come on. Well, this is a terrible blizzard. Let me see. I'm gonna try and get them pushed up at least closer to my shelter. Maybe I can grab some of these calves and get them pushed in there. At least get them out of the weather. It is just crazy out here. This is terrible. Oh, would you look at that? Who's in the old calf shed? A couple baby calves. Look at that. Good job, guys. Good job. Heck yeah. Good job. Yay. Man, that was good timing, huh? Let's see if we got anybody in here. Good job, babies. Hell yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. Oh yeah, it's nice in here, huh? Sweet. I think they like it. Oh yeah. All right, so cow drama for the Saturday. This cow over here, 616. I don't know what your problem is. You've only had like a million calves. All of a sudden, you had one this morning when it was nice and cold. Him. And now you don't want to claim him. It's like you know he's hit yours, and you want to beat him up and throw him around. I don't know what your problem is, lady. You're crazy. So we're gonna try and get her. She went down my trail from yesterday, of course, and I'm waiting for my dad, but we'll go. I don't want her going back down with the cows. I just got her out of the cows on foot, so we'll try and push her up to the shed and put her in a nice spot, because that's a cold baby. It's a cold morning to be born, dude. So we'll get them together, and I think she'll smell them and remember that, oh yeah, I just had that. That's mine. Okay. Cool, dude. Got your hand. See, she comes over to him and like calls to him like, oh, that's mine. Yeah, it is yours. Why don't you love him? He loves you. You just keep beating him up. Now he's cold, so I had to put a cool calf coat on him. But he looks pretty styling in that calf coat. And he's even a boy, so it's cool. Got you a blue calf coat. Well, you shut it, lady. You got your own baby. See, she's talking to him like, yeah, that's your baby. And you're just jealous because I don't have a calf coat for you. So we'll see. Hopefully she takes him back. I don't know what her deal is. Why do you hate your own baby, lady? Okay, well, plot twist. Now all of a sudden 616 decided that, oh yeah, this is my baby. Yeah, I'll go ahead and adopt my own baby back. My own baby. This is your baby. Why were you trying to beat it up yesterday? Now all of a sudden Sunday comes around and, oh yeah, I did have a baby. I guess I'll go ahead and take him back. I guess I do love him. I'll go ahead and feed him. What the heck, lady? I'm trying to give your baby to another mom, and now she don't want it. They don't have another bum calf. And now you won't shut up. Jesus, lady. I'm vlogging. Shut it up for a second. Thank you. Yeah, that's your baby, dude. Why you gotta be like that? Golly, you could have just loved him down in the field and I would have left you alone. Anyway, this is good news, I suppose. So I'm down here bottle feeding this baby. I have another bottle for this other guy. He knocks over the bottle on the table and is drinking it. Dude, what? I set the bottle on the table and he knocked it down and found it. Dude, you're crazy. If you're still here, thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Please keep doing it. Let's grow this thing. Let's get it bigger. I really appreciate the support. I enjoy bringing them to you guys. So we're going to keep doing it. And yeah, keep watching. Let's ride.